Are you struggling with depression and searching for a way out? Hi, I am Dr. Tarek Halabi, founder of World Holistic Health Center. Today, I will discuss a powerful healing practice called Reiki and its health benefits for those individuals suffering from depressive disorder. As a Reiki master, I have witnessed firsthand how Reiki offers holistic care, promotes integrative balance, and encourages inner peace, which is especially therapeutic for those struggling with depressive disorder. In this video, I will explain what Reiki is and how it works to significantly uplift mental and emotional health. The term Reiki combines two Japanese words, Rei, meaning universe, and Ki, meaning life force. Essentially, Reiki is the universal life force energy that underpins our entire existence. With roots tracing back to ancient Tibet, Reiki provides holistic healing on multiple levels: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. The practice involves a gentle hands-on or hands-off technique where the practitioner channels healing energy to the recipient. Reiki may be administered either in person or at a distance, as the healing energy transcends the boundaries of time and space. This energy helps to effectively clear blockages, restore integrative balance, and encourage the body's natural healing processes, supporting physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Depressive disorder, also known as depression, is a serious mental illness that can affect how a person feels, thinks, speaks, and acts. For those dealing with depressive disorder, Reiki presents a supportive and complementary approach. Depression often leads to disconnection, heaviness, disrupted sleep, poor mental concentration, and low physical energy. Reiki aims to naturally restore the flow of positive energy within the body and mind, helping to release built-up stress, tension, toxicity, and negativity. This leads to a greater sense of clarity, relaxation, and relief, allowing individuals to feel much more coherent, connected, and grounded. One of the most profound benefits of Reiki is its ability to bring balance to the emotions. Depression can usually feel overwhelming and isolating. However, by working with the body's energy field, Reiki helps to clear out energetic imbalances that contribute to these feelings. Many people report being happier, lighter, more serene, and even more hopeful after a Reiki session. It can be an effective method to reconnect with oneself and to experience emotional support. Reiki also empowers individuals by enhancing self-healing. Instead of solely focusing on the symptoms of depression, Reiki supports the whole person: body, mind, emotions, and spirit. By promoting a high sense of calmness and wellness, Reiki encourages individuals to reconnect with their inner strength and innate resilience, helping them to better cope with life's myriad challenges. In conclusion, while Reiki is not a replacement for medical care, it can certainly be a valuable therapy to a holistic approach to managing depressive disorder. Reiki is a simple, safe, loving, compassionate, and non-invasive technique that systematically supports and sustains integrative balance, and inner peace. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of Reiki? Visit worldholistichealthcenter.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how Reiki improves mental well-being by alleviating depression. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and hit like. Be happy and healthy.